Can AI tools really write children's books? You won't believe your circuits, but they sure can. These brainy bots are penning tales that rival those of human authors, and they're doing it faster than you can say once upon a time. So forget slaving away at your desk. With AI, you'll have a magical story in no time. But wait just a second, because AI-generated children's books have a secret ingredient that'll make your imagination soar. They're super duper unique, just like a rare unicorn. That means search engines will love them, giving your book a boost in visibility. So join me on this journey as we uncover the enchanted steps to creating a children's book with the help of our AI pals. Okay, so I started by chatting up with my AI pal, getting the gears of imagination whirring. With a clever command or prompt, the magic began. Next, I teamed up with not one, but two AI wizards, ChatGPT and Midjourney. Together, we weaved a spellbinding title and conjured up a captivating plot summary using the prompt. Create a title and a plot for a picture book for young children. The result? Amazingly, the AI's fondness for alliteration shines through as it bestowed the name Frederick upon the fox and Faye upon the fairy. It seems Trevor missed the cut for the grumpy tree, but the AI's clever twist with Oakley more than made up for it. Inspired by the charm of Frederick's name, I made a whimsical decision. To add a dash of uniqueness, I chose to incorporate the fox's name into the title, creating a truly one-of-a-kind book. So I told ChatGPT, let's use Freddy as the fox's name, incorporate this name into the title 5 times. Another brilliant observation to make is how the AI effortlessly recalls and references previous elements of our conversation. It seamlessly weaves together details, such as Lily being a main character, and cleverly incorporates her into not just one, but 2 of the 5 captivating titles it suggested. Moving on. With the title securely in place, I turned to the AI once again, this time seeking its artistic prowess to conjure a captivating book cover illustration. Mindful of the limitations of Midjourney, I instructed ChatGPT to omit the names of Freddy and Lily, the beloved characters of our tale. I also asked it to steer clear of describing the text, as Midjourney's rendering of textual characters can be a bit tricky. The result? I then entered the command /imagine followed by our prompt, and then I added v4, q2, up beta into Midjourney, and it rendered 4 thumbnail images, and this is what I got. Now let's jump into the most interesting part of the video. To embark on the book writing adventure, I simply had to set the stage with a modest instruction. Choose the number of pages, in this case 8, and provide ChatGPT with some basic guidance. And here's our prompt. Write the book with 8 pages in total, 2 sentences per page, and 1 illustration per page. Provide a description of the images in square brackets. The AI skillfully echoed my instructions before diving into the task at hand. With its digital quill, it crafted the 8 pages, adorning them with the narrative text that danced alongside brief descriptions of the illustrations. From a critical lens, the story may appear a tad thin, lacking the presence of a compelling antagonist. However, for demonstration, it serves its purpose well. The AI took a philosophical detour on page 7, adding an intriguing twist, only to deliver a heartwarming and sentimental ending on page 8. And next, on to... I used the same method I used to generate the book cover to create the 8 illustrations for the pages. Since GPT had the context, I just needed to ask for prompts one by one. Here's what I did to create the first illustration in the book. Write a prompt for a speech-to-image system to create the illustration for page 1. Describe the characters visually, not by name, but don't mention the text. And ChatGPT then gave me this. I then entered the command /imagine followed by our prompt v4 q2 up beta into Midjourney, and here are the results. I like the one in the lower left because there were fewer problems with her hair, and the rendering of the door seemed better. So I hit the U3 button to upsize it to 2048 by 2048 pixels. I then added the text using Photoshop. I didn't touch up this image at all. And here we are, the final result. I repeated the illustration creation process for pages 2 through 8 using ChatGPT and Midjourney. Overall, I really liked the renderings of Oakley the Grumpy Tree and Fade the Mischievous Fairy. Well, there you have it. Are you ready to unleash your imagination? Subscribe to our channel for more enchanting adventures, AI insights, and creative inspiration. And so you don't miss out on the next chapter, please hit that subscribe button and let your creativity soar. See you next time.